Hi, today I'm going to go through a step, a rock recover, or a rock step, and a mambo, and a rocking chair. So it's, a step, as you know, it's going forward. That's a one step, two steps, and so on. Okay, if you do a rock step or rock recover, you go forward on the right or left, and you put your weight back on the left. Or if you go forward with your left, it's forward, left, back weight on the right. So we have a step, then your weight ends on the foot that goes forward. If you do a rock, the weight starts forward, then ends up back. Yeah, and if you do a mambo, then you go forward, you put your weight back, and you step the right foot, in my case, together, and the weight ends on the right. So I go forward, back, together, hold on, almost said. Mambo is normally on the 1 and 2, so it's 1 and 2. Okay, so then we have the step. We have the rock, so it's rock, recover, and then the mambo, together. The weight is on the right, and you have the rocking chair, and do still with the right. Then you have forward, weight back, go back, weight forward. So it's again forward, weight back, forward. The weight ends on your left. So it's just sort of 4 different ways of doing it. But okay, the rock step you can do in different directions, of course. You can do rock to your right, rock forward we have also already done, but forward, back, you can rock back, rock, recover, go to the left, rock, recover. You also have the option of cross rock. Rock in front, together, or rock behind if you want, rock back, recover. So you can sort of do rocks in every direction. So it's the 4 to sides and back in front, and you can do to the diagonals, the 4 diagonals as well. You can do a rock step. Mambo as well, you can do forward, this angle, so it's mambo step, backwards, mambo step, or sideways, mambo step, and mambo step. You can also do it in the cross, mambo step, or the other way, mambo step, or behind, mambo step, and mambo step. Okay, rocking chair. This way it's a rocking chair, or with your left if you want that. Rocking chair. That's normally done just forward and back. You could, in some instances, some dances, I see that they do sort of putting a rocking chair in cross. So it's rocking chair. So that's also sort of a variation of the rocking chair. Good luck.